Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video, I'm finally going to be doing my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton item that I picked up in Aruba. I have the packaging right here. Now, I did bring home the box and the bag, but my advice to you guys, if you shop at Louis Vuitton in Aruba, don't get the box, don't get the bag, because you will have to pay an import tax on the item if you come through customs. So I had to pay an import tax on this bag when I came through customs because I had it in the box and the bag. So that's my advice to you all, to save you that money. So I will go ahead and show you what I got. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take the item out. It comes in this large box right here. Not exactly sure why the ribbon is orange. Not sure if it's because of the location, but nonetheless got an orange ribbon. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is something that was on my wish list. This is the last, I would say, handbag that I had on my wish list. All the others that I had aspired to buy, I actually bought, really. So this one was the last one. Let's open it here, and you can probably already guess what this is. Dust bag. It's quite big, so I'm going to have to take it out and then put the box down. Empty box. I was hoping to get one of those special edition boxes. Nothing special about the box. Let's set the box there. I probably should have left the box in hindsight. There's the bag. I think now you can tell what this is. And yes, let's go ahead and, if you guys guessed a Neverfull, you are correct. I have been lusting after this bag for years, you guys. I've been going to the store looking to get this bag. I've visited so many stores like the past 3 years trying to buy this bag. The reason wasn't that it wasn't in stock. I really was obsessing over a made in France bag. It smells so good. It smells new. All my other Louis Vuitton Neverfulls are made in France, and I didn't want this one to be made in the US. I know some people care about made in the US, some don't. Some of my bags are made in the US. I don't have a preference on those. This particular one, I had to have it made in France, you guys. So I'm just fluffing out the bag because it was flat. It's got some creases in it, so I'm trying to fix those creases in the bag. But I got the pink interior, and there is the pouch on the inside. Here, I did get the GM size. I have had the MM size. I just don't like that size. I don't carry totes as purses, as handbags. So I needed one where my laptop could fit so I could carry it to work. I could use it for travel. And the MM bag size is just too small. Now this bag will probably get used more as a handbag, because I will be cinching in the sides of this bag, but I still did not want that little MM size for this. There is one other Neverfull that I would like to get. I would like to get the Damier Ebene with the pink interior. That one only comes in an MM size, so that one, you know, I would have to kind of suck up and get. But this one, I'm going to cinch in the sides just to show you guys. You've probably already seen this on other videos, but this is actually how I want to carry this bag. You know, so this one will ironically get used probably more as a handbag. Not my other two. I have lots of monogram handbags, so I don't have to cinch those in, but this is that shape. I looked at buying the Graceful, but, you know, in hindsight, I was like, no, the Graceful was $1,700. Why would I get that when I can just cinch this bag in and essentially still get that look of the Graceful? I don't like the opening of the Graceful, how it's just not roomy enough to open. So you can see how that looks cinched. So this would be how I would prefer to carry this bag cinched, you guys, which I'm loving. I love this shape. like this. I know some people don't typically carry the bag cinched, but this is how I would actually carry this bag. I love it. So this right here really completes my Damier Azur collection. I wanted a small, medium, and large size bag. I have my Speedy for my medium size bag. This one would qualify as my large. And then I have the Pochette Accessoire as my small size bag. And then I do have the Recto Verso as my accessories. And I have some other accessories that would go along with this. But this bag is stunning, you guys. Look at that pink. You know, most of the times when you see this bag, if it's not a real bag, the pink lines will be darker on the inside. But the authentic one truly has a light interior, and the lines are a darker shade of pink and not chocolate. So I really love that. And let me show you guys the Made in France. Not sure if that will even come up clear. That's the Made in France moniker on the inside. So beautiful. Okay, and then the pouch, which is really what I was also obsessing over. I tell you, you guys, I have my Pochette Accessoire. What I don't like about it is that the inside is that beige cream color. I really wish they made that with a pink. And so I essentially originally was not going to get this bag, but I just could not stop obsessing over it, you guys. That says Made in France there. I couldn't stop obsessing over this pink. This bag retails in Aruba for $2,210 US dollars. Now, as you know, in the States, this bag is $2,100 on the Louis Vuitton website. Supposedly, the price was supposed to include taxes already built into the Aruba price. So when you go buy any luxury pieces in Aruba, the taxes already rolled into the price. So all the things were like max $100 more. So the price here in the States is $2,100. This bag was $2,210, which would have been fantastic because I live in Tennessee. The taxes in Tennessee are 9.25%. So I would essentially be spending 10% more. So upon original savings, had I actually carried this bag or put it in my luggage, I would have saved about $84. But because I had the bag with me going through customs, I had to pay another tax on it, which was $42. So I only saved $42 on this bag. Now, $42 is still really good for the savings. So I'm happy because I still paid less for this bag in Aruba than I would have paid here in Nashville. But the good thing about this bag is that it's a Made in France. I would not have been able to probably get a Made in France. This would have been made in the US, which is why I didn't buy it here. And also the savings that I had on this, my job gave me a gift card for $500. So I was able to apply the $500 gift card that I received as a Christmas gift to this bag. So I only spent like $17.42 on this bag. So after that import tax and everything, I spent $17.52. So I spent $17.52 on this bag out of my own money, and I had the $500 from my company. So I got really, I don't want to say lucky, but blessed that I really only had to pay $17.42. So I got this for a really good price, and so that made it even worth my while to get this bag. But here is the bag that I got. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about this bag, definitely comment down below. If you have this bag, let me know how you are loving it. I have been obsessing and stalking over this bag for years now, so I'm finally happy to actually have this bag in my collection. I do have a few more items on my Louis Vuitton wish list, so I'll probably end up getting those sometime later this year or even beginning of next year. Hopefully the prices don't keep increasing to where they're not worth me getting. I don't have any more SLGs, any more handbags on my Louis Vuitton. Well, let me not say that. I don't have any more handbags on my wish list. So a couple of SLGs, some perfume, some jewelry. So still in the air on if I'll get those items. But I will definitely keep you all posted. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more content. Welcome and thank you to my new subscribers. Definitely thank you to my old subscribers who have been hanging in there with me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, bye.